In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Sheets to Google Calendar. Whether you're planning events, managing appointments, or just need to keep track of important dates, linking these two powerful tools can vastly streamline your workflow. Let's dive right in to see how this is done. Start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to Google Sheets. If you haven't already, log into your Google account, as that's essential for accessing Sheets and Calendar. Once you're in, open the spreadsheet that contains the data you would like to connect to your Google Calendar. This sheet could have details, like event names, dates, times, locations, or any other relevant information that you wish to transfer to your calendar. Next, move your attention to the menu bar at the top of the sheet and click on Extensions. Under this drop-down menu, you'll see an option called Add-ons. Hover over it and click on Get Add-ons. What this does is open the Google Workspace Marketplace, where you can browse for various apps and extensions that integrate with Google tools. In the search bar, type the word Calendar to find relevant plugins. Look for the add-on named Calendar Events Creator, as this will be the tool we use to link your sheet data with Google Calendar. Click on the add-on to view more details, and then select Install. This installation will prompt a permissions request since it needs to access your Google account to function. Go ahead and authorize it by following the on-screen instructions, ensuring you read through the details for transparency. Once the installation is complete, return to the Extensions menu. This time, click on the Calendar Events Creator that should now appear in your installed add-ons list. By selecting it, you'll open a side panel on the right where you can start the process of transferring data. Click the Start button in this panel, which will guide you through customizing how your sheet data is imported into your Google Calendar. Here is where you get to personalize your setup. You can choose which specific columns from your spreadsheet will populate in the calendar events, like setting the date column, event title column, and any other relevant details. It allows for a lot of customizability, so take your time to align everything as per your needs. Finally, after ensuring all settings are as desired, click the Create Events button. This action transfers the information from your Google Sheet into your Google Calendar, automatically generating calendar entries based on the data you've selected. And there you have it. Your Google Sheets and Google Calendar are now connected. This integration should not only save you time, but also eliminate any chances of data transfer errors while helping you manage your schedule more effectively. Happy scheduling!